Don't let your background stop you from creating your content or showcasing your creativity. In this video, I will show you how to easily change your background to realistic video or image background. The first thing you need to do is upload the background you want to use in replacing the original background. This is the background. Then tap on Effects, Video Effect, Lens, Blur. Adjust the blur effect to your satisfaction. Drag the effect to the end of the background clip. Now go back and tap on Overlay, Add Overlay. Upload your already recorded video. Now this is a video clip whose background I want to replace. Tap on it and scroll down to Remove BG, Auto Remover. Give few seconds for the background to be removed. This is it. Adjust the video clip to your satisfaction. Then to add your image background, scroll down and pick any image background of your choice. This is our image background. Tap on Overlay, Add Overlay, and upload the video whose background you want to change. Adjust the video clip and scroll down to Remove BG. This is how you can easily replace your video background. Here we have the video background and the image background. Adjust the video clip to your satisfaction and add all the necessary effects and filters that you want. So worry no more about what background to use for your video. Go ahead and start creating your content. To watch full videos on how to get your stock image and videos and things to avoid while creating this background, please tap on the link in my bio and head over to YouTube. Don't forget to tap on the plus button, like this video, and also share to your friends.